You can begin with your feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, and then you can take a few deep breaths in and out, just letting go of any tension you don't need, just coming into the here and now, maybe noticing and enjoying the scenery, the wildlife. Then the hands can float down. As you breathe in, the arms float up, they draw in towards the heart and then float back down. We call this one sinking the chi, the life force energy, the source of our power and vitality. Let's do that again. Breathing in, gather into the heart, breathing out, directing back down. One more time, sink the chi. Then from here, you can step one foot out to the side, either foot, and the hands float up in front to about shoulder height. Then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Call this opening the door, start of the journey. It's like you're riding the wave. Tide rolls in, tide rolls out. Breathing in, breathing out. And remember, you can always take as many breaths as you need. When the arms float out to the sides, they float down, the palms face away from each other, the backs of the hands face each other, and then they drift out to the sides. We call this one the fountain. Breathing in and breathing out, just letting go, softening, connecting with the water elements, soft but powerful. The ability to wear away mountains over time. This time, reverse direction, circle the arms in front and hug the tree, and then step the feet out a little bit wider. And then the arms open, and then one hand scoops under, the other one on top, embrace the moon, pivot on the heel, and then orbit the moon around the earth, circling around with the hands as if you're carrying something precious. And then from here, we'll reverse direction, so whichever way you were going, let's go the other way. Sometimes called stirring the chi. This time we'll hug the tree, bring it back to center, pivoting back on the heel, and the arms open, and then scoop the other hand under, embrace the moon, pivot on the heel, and then orbit the moon around the earth. You might even start to feel a tingling or a warmth. That's the chi. Then reverse direction, increasing our circulation as well, our blood flow and the energy. Then hug the tree, bring it back to center, and coming back to a comfortable stance, the arms open. And this hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and then they float across like clouds in the sky. They switch again, wave hands like clouds. Breathing in as they switch, breathing out as you drift. Once again, you can take as many breaths as you need, and don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. This time the top hand makes a hook, the bottom hand comes up, and the bottom hand floats across the horizon, the palm turns out, and then circle it back around. One more time with just the arms, the hand floats across. This time you can step the foot in as the hand comes up, and then step the foot out, single whip. Circle it back around, feeling into the body, noticing all the sensations. And one more time, single whip. Then release the hook, let it drift over, the hands switch again. Cloud hands, stepping in, drifting across. Letting go of any tension you don't need. And then the top hand makes a hook, the bottom hand comes up. The bottom hand floats across, and then circle it back around. One more time with just the arms. And then this time you can step in, and then step out to the side, single whip. Breathing in, and breathing out, or just breathing normal. Bringing mindfulness to the body. Don't want to miss a thing. And from here, reverse cloud hands. Drifting across like a moving meditation. All right, this time step in as you make a hook, and then step out, single whip 2 times. And then from here, we'll go the other way. The hand comes up and over, and softening down, the hand scoops through, and then back up. The snake creeps through the grass. Let's do that one again. And as always, it doesn't matter how low you go, just meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. All right, one more time, snake creeps down. And then release the hook. The hands become clouds once again, drifting across, stepping in. Drift across one more time, and then step in as you make a hook. Step out, single whip 2 times. Then reverse direction, the hand comes up and over, and softening down, the hand scoops through, and back up. The snake creeps through the grass. Do that again. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? One more time, snake creeps down, then release the hook, cloud hands. Stepping in to a comfortable position, we'll continue to wave hands like clouds in the sky. Just letting go, coming into the moment, like a moving meditation. This time the bottom hand comes up into a hook, and we'll carry the firefly in the lantern. The hands switch again, the other hand makes a hook, carrying underneath. Gently swaying from side to side, rotating from the torso, softening the shoulders and neck, and then hug the tree, bring it back to center, the arms open, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other, and this hand drops down and floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. The other hand floats up as you breathe in, as you breathe out, centering. Do that again, creating mental focus and clarity. One more time, centering. This time both hands float up and over, and then down towards the waist as you soften the hips and knees. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, scooping under, gathering in the energy to the heart. And then the hands float down. Call this opening the heart. Do that again, floating down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, reaching, connecting, sending out all your loving kindness out to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart, self-compassion. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations. And then if you want, you can express gratitude in your heart as well. Then the hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day Tai Chi challenge for balance. So just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.